This is incredible. With this AI model, you can have all these platforms in one place using a single account. Plus, it offers a unique feature that lets you create consistent characters across multiple videos, something very few platforms have achieved so far. On top of that, you'll find a wide range of AI effects, some of which are truly mind-blowing. And that's not all. There are also plenty of editing tools available, allowing you to refine your videos with high-quality, professional-grade features. I've introduced this AI before, but honestly, it has evolved so much since the last time I used it. The improvements are impressive, and the new tools added are just amazing. At first glance, I'd say it's unbelievable, but today we're going to test everything together to see just how reliable it is. So stay with me and don't miss this video. Without wasting any time, head over to Pollo AI using the link. This website originally started as a simple AI tool for text and image generation, but it has rapidly advanced, and as you can see, it now offers an extensive range of powerful tools. Let's check out some samples and see how they perform. Take a look at this text to video example. Pay close attention to the details. Everything is processed beautifully. The movements are smooth, and there are no visible flaws in textures like the wooden table or the character's clothing. The only noticeable issue might be the missing food on the plate and the lack of steam, which feels a bit unnatural. But overall, this is amazing. The prompt used here was highly detailed, which resulted in a high-quality, well-rendered video. You can even use the same prompt to generate a similar outcome yourself. Here's another example. Again, incredible. Besides all its visual appeal, what really caught my eye in this scene is the lighting. The level of detail is stunning. Just look at the woman's earring. It moves perfectly with her motion. This video was created using the Kling 1.6 model. There are also samples of image to video, video to video, and AI effects that you can explore. Honestly, they all look fantastic, and I'm excited to test them out. I'll start with text to video. Here you have access to multiple AI models, each delivering different results. Kling 1.6 provides more realistic motion. I covered its capabilities in detail in another video. Hailuo offers top-tier quality, while Pika Labs, Pixverse, and Luma each have their own strengths. Depending on your needs, you can select different settings, and the credit consumption will vary accordingly. I'll begin with Pollo 1.5. In the prompt section, you can either write your own prompt or let the AI generate one for you. Just provide a topic, and the AI will suggest 3 options. You can request more if needed. Select one, confirm it, and move on. Below, you'll also find additional prompt suggestions that you can use. After choosing the aspect ratio, you'll see 2 toggles. The first decides whether your generated video will be featured in Pollo AI's Explore page. The second, if enabled, protects your input data, prompt images, and videos. Now let's generate the video and see the results. At first glance, it looks amazing. The character's body movements, facial expressions, lighting, and surrounding details are all processed exceptionally well. If you don't scrutinize it too much, everything seems natural and project ready. However, if you analyze it closely, you can spot some AI-generated artifacts in certain areas. I've created several videos using the Pollo model before, which you can check out. I also covered them in detail in my previous video. If you're interested, I recommend watching that as well. The image quality in this AI model is very high, making it a great option to use. To improve the results, you can adjust the prompt, regenerate the video, add sound, upscale it, or change its style. Now I want to test another model, Kling 1.6, which offers more settings. After entering the prompt and selecting the aspect ratio, you can adjust prompt strength, which determines how much the AI follows your input. A key feature here is negative prompt, which we'll test later. Some strong points in this render include the character's outfit, the texture of the painting, and the glass reflections. However, issues like hand positioning, brush strokes, and missing background movements are noticeable. I'm going to regenerate it as it is and see the difference. As you can see, this option fixed most of the issues, and now we have a nearly perfect video. The background elements move naturally and the character looks flawless. Now let's test the negative prompt and see how refining the prompt affects the final output. Running the same sample again, this time with refinements, we now get an almost flawless result. Every detail is correctly processed. Next, let's try image to video. For this, we can use Pollo AI's image generator, which features some of the most powerful models available today. I personally love FLUX. There are several versions to choose from. The most cost-effective is FLUX Schnell, while FLUX 1.1 Pro Ultra delivers the highest quality. I'll test both. The prompt section is the same across all Pollo AI features. You also have a variety of style options, all of which are trendy and visually appealing. After selecting the image count and aspect ratio, I'll generate the images. Both results look good, but I want to test FLUX Pro Ultra with the same prompt. This one is my favorite so far, so I'll stick with it. Now we can directly transfer this image into the image to video section. I'll select the video to model to test it. The prompt section can be left empty or customized with additional details. Here you can adjust resolution, video duration, and motion range. The results are excellent. Everything looks professional. The floating movement, the way the dress flows, and the physics simulation are some of the highlights. You can try different models like Hailuo and Kling for even better results, but now I want to test Runway and see how it performs. This one turned into more of a slideshow animation, but with prompt adjustments and regeneration, you can refine the outcome. One of my favorite features is consistent character. This allows you to upload up to 3 reference images containing a character, location, and objects, and the AI will seamlessly integrate them. You can also just provide a single character image and let Pollo AI handle the rest. After selecting a sample, you can define which parts of each image should be used. The rest of the settings work just like before. The final video stays true to the reference images. Despite minor flaws, it's almost perfect, making this an extremely powerful feature. Another great tool is video to video, which lets you transform your videos into different styles. You can choose from various art styles with videos lasting up to 30 seconds. There are also restyle subject only and custom background options. Additionally, you can turn a simple prompt into an anime style animation with access to popular anime styles. One of the most exciting features is AI effects, which is currently trending. There are over 40 effects that can instantly transform your images into dynamic animations. They are truly impressive and professionally designed. I'll test a few, starting with AI Inflate. Simply upload an image, adjust the frame size, and hit Create. This seems like an incredibly simple way to create viral videos while maintaining top-notch quality. You can easily switch effects from this section and upload an image that best suits the selected effect. Beyond all the features we've mentioned, there are also a variety of powerful editing tools available here. These tools allow you to upscale, enhance, denoise, or even extend your video. The face swap tool is another amazing addition, offering impressive results. You can even use the motion brush to animate specific parts of an image, giving you full control over the movement. The free version gives access to most core features, though with limitations. The Pro plan unlocks more features at a reasonable price. There's also a budget-friendly plan if you're looking for something more affordable. Stay creative, and see you next time.